Okay guys, so today I'm going to show you another little project. It's another little tutorial on how to make these little tri-fold tag books. So again, they're a nice little quick project, and it's another little addition to pop into your journals. So it's just has little tags in it. You can actually put little booklets or all sorts of bits and pieces in there, but I've just made it into little tags. So it's just a fold over, just one piece of, it's half a piece of copy paper, just folded up, and then on this one I've just popped a little bit of ribbon on there. So we just tie it up, and you can either stick it to your journal, so it's stuck onto your page and open it up, or you can just pop it into a little pocket or something. This one I've done, and I've done the closure with a little paper clip with a little bit of seam binding on. And this is made out of cardboard, and then this one I've just got 3 little tags in, so there we go. And I've actually done the gesso on this one, so it looks a bit shabby, and then we just close it up with the paper clip. So there we go. So it's very quick, very easy. I've got the little tags ready to pop into mine. So this was, I've decoupaged some napkin paper onto some tea stained paper, and this is a beautiful napkin of a peacock, which is lovely, and then I've got that one to go on the front. So I've already got those ready. So all as it is, again, is half a piece of the copy paper, so it's the A4 paper. So what we do, we fold it down to get the lip on the bottom so the tags pop in. I just fold it over. You can do 1 inch, this is about 1.5 inches. So that just goes through there like that, so that's quite good. And then I just fold it through. You can measure it if you want to into 3, but I don't, I just eyeball it. So roughly fold it into 3 like this. And like that, so it goes that way round. So then it's just open it up like that, and then what I did to stick these up, if you've got a sewing machine you can sew up these little bits, and you can embellish them with other bits and pieces, but for ease I'm just going to use a bit of the glue stick, because it's copy paper, it's quite thin and it sticks really well with this. So I'll pop those little bits like that, and then we just stick them up like that. Make sure they're nice and stuck. Put lid on. So we have one little tag goes in there. We have one little tag goes in there, and then we can pop the one with the peacock in the middle. Doesn't that look really pretty? And then you just fold it up like that. Yeah, that was lovely. And then this one, this piece, can just stick onto the front. So we'll do that. Again, we use a glue stick. But again, you can use your sewing machine and sew it on. But for quickness, I'm just going to glue it on with this. So you can embellish them as much as you like. So there we go. Stick that on there. And then I've got a piece of ribbon which I've used in the top of the tags, look. So it all coordinates. You can pop little quotes on the bottom here if you want to. But I just thought I'd show you quickly how it's done. And then you just get a little bit of ribbon, and then you just tie it into a bow, and that's the closure. Or again, you can use a paper clip like that. So I thought that was really, really pretty, and you can stick it to your page, or again you can pop it in your pocket, you can pop it in a little tuck. So there we go, that's 3 of them. So that, how quick was that? So all you have to do, show you again quickly on this, you take half an A4 sheet of paper, which is just the regular copy paper size, and then you fold up an inch and a half from the bottom, like that. You can make these bigger or smaller, depending on the size of your journals, and then you just fold it into 3, like this, and there you go. That's it, and that's how easy it is. So there we go, guys. I hope you enjoyed that little quick tutorial there. And then I thought that was really easy. So you can put a little bow on them, or you can pop a little paper clip on them, like that, which is quick and easy, or again you can put a little bow. There we go, guys. I hope you enjoyed that. Please do have a go, and please do subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so far, and then you can watch all my upcoming videos and tutorials. Okay, thank you, have a lovely day, and I'll see you soon. Bye bye.